Welcome to Sunco Communication and Installation. In this episode, we'll look at how to get the most out of your Microsoft systems. Many IT service providers can handle basic troubleshooting, but only a Microsoft certified partner can help you fully leverage the power of Microsoft technology. According to Sean Schoenberger, president of Sunco Communication and Installation, any business that uses the Microsoft suite will benefit by leveraging Microsoft's partner network. That's where they can find service providers who specifically know Microsoft 365 products. Did you know that 39.4% of Canadian businesses face an IT labor shortage? This makes it even more critical to have the right expertise on your side. By working with a Microsoft certified partner, you get access to specialized expertise, rigorous quality assurance, and strict cybersecurity standards. With proactive support and the latest Microsoft updates, they minimize downtime and keep your business running smoothly. They also offer cost-effective, customized solutions, reducing IT management and maintenance costs. If you're looking to enhance your remote workforce capabilities, a Microsoft managed service provider can streamline your operations. Sunco Communication and Installation, a Microsoft solutions partner for modern work, exemplifies this with secure, flexible, and scalable services. To learn more about how a Microsoft certified partner can benefit your business, read the full article on our website. And don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for more updates and insights.